Don't fall in the pool.
I'll be alright.
I should just chuck you in at the end of this.
I'm not gonna put that in there.
Why would I? Like.
So, good afternoon from. Okay, I got it. Ready?
Yeah.
Good afternoon from Bali. I'm getting it right.
Yeah, you said it right.
After like 50 days. This man, Brendan Van Son, and I are done 2 back-to-back photo and video workshops. The first one was the first ever BvS Squad video retreat, which I think you saw a lot of on this channel. And then the one we just ran was...
We just ran a photography trip here as well. Kind of similar format. Like a retreat. We like hang out. We like lived the life at the villa, swam in the pool, and went out and took pictures and stuff too.
Right, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about drumroll announcement time. I personally am very excited. I've been wanting to make this video for quite a while because we've been talking about how to sort of integrate Greg Trips into the future workshops, and it looks like we finally came to a conclusion that we're going to run the first 2 Greg Trips starting next year in 2020.
Yeah, so maybe I should talk about why this happened.
Because I'm awesome.
Yeah, because Greg's awesome. But basically what happened is the photography trips are phenomenal. They're awesome. But we get so many requests for places, and I only have so much time. Greg only has so much time. And we just kind of wanted to offer more variety and more options. So we're really photo heavy on the photography trips. We wanted to kind of take a video angle, still have the photography, but then bring on Greg so Greg can do his epic B-roll thing and show you guys how to do that epic B-roll thing. Still have the photography, but also like kind of have a video focus as well. So Greg Trips, they're going to be listed on my website from now on as well. Greg Trips are like photo and video.
Yes, emphasis on a whole bunch of different sort of aspects of videography and photography, and very much going to be fun, really, you know, at the end of the day. And so I'm looking forward to implementing a lot of what we do on my own trips. So a lot of that information you can find in the description below, but let's jump right into them. So the first one is going to be in Mongolia. August 2020, we are heading back to Mongolia for another adventure video and photography tour. And all that information again is in the description, but we're going to go to Western Mongolia, to where we were on the border with China and Russia, a really remote and very wild part of the country, and still really unseen.
Yeah, so on the last trip we were kind of winging it. It was an adventure scouting trip, but I think we kind of cracked Mongolia. We kind of solved it and learned what it's about. So we were roughing it really hard, and it's not to say that there's not going to be some roughing in the adventure. It's an adventure trip, but we kind of have it cracked, so we're going to make it a little bit more comfortable and make sure that you get absolute best out of the trip.
Yeah, it's going to be 12 days, and all the detailed information again is on your website, so be sure to go and check that out for any additional information that you're looking for, or throw your questions in the comments or email me direct and I can get back to you there. So Mongolia, August 2020, that's the first Greg trip, and it is going to be amazing.
Epic.
The second one, you want to take it on?
Okay, the second trip is going to happen in Cape Town. In Cape Town, South Africa. That's going to go down in October 2020. That's going to be like a retreat style like we've done here. I'm going to be in Cape Town, I think, at the time. Am I going to be in Namibia?
Yeah, you'll be in Namibia at the end.
Yeah, so I think I might show up and just say hi. But
guest appearances?
Yeah, guest appearances.
We may have 1 or 2 guest appearances, special guest appearances in Cape Town, but from what I'm looking at right now, it's going to be about 7 days, retreat style. We're going to get a big villa. The second ever BvS Squad video retreat is going to be happening in Cape Town in October 2020, so very much looking forward to that. Cape Town, South Africa is perfect.
I should also say, just because it's a video retreat doesn't mean you won't be taking photos. It's not like you're just going to be running around shooting B-roll the whole time. There's lots of time in location to shoot photos, and there's lots of really cool photo locations in Cape Town as well. I should also mention that there's like an add-on to that, isn't there?
Yeah.
Do you want to talk about that?
Yes, there is an additional add-on to the Cape Town trip, and that is a wildlife safari. So not only will we be focusing the retreat in Cape Town with video and photo, we're going to take it on the road and head out to Kruger National Park for 4 days of safari, which will be sort of tacked on to the last part of the October retreat. So if you're interested in coming to South Africa, you definitely want to see wildlife as well. So not only will we be in the city and the coast around Cape Town, we're going to take it into the wild to Kruger National Park to try and get some photos and video of the wildlife.
Yeah. gonna be epic.
It is going to be amazing. I'm really excited about it, to be honest. It's going to be really, really cool. We're going to do a lot of like video editing workshops, a lot of sessions on storytelling and how to storyboard. We're going to do a lot of photo editing stuff, and just like a chance to collaborate with one another and to learn, and I can go on about it forever. So
Yeah, believe me, he can.
I'm going to cut myself off. But all that information is on Brendan's website, brendansadventures.com/workshops, and then Greg Trips somewhere on there.
Just go to my website, brendansadventures.com. On the top, there's photography workshops or something like that. Click on that. All the info's there.
All the info's there, and we want to see you on location in the field next year, 2020. So yeah, Mongolia and Cape Town and Safari. It's going to be great.
And if you want direct links to them, they'll be in the description. Greg's going to put them there.
Everything's in the description. Everything you need to know is there, and we're looking forward to seeing your name on the reservation list, and I think it's going to be awesome. So.
Yeah, sweet.
Cool. Thanks.
Do you have anything in your pockets, or can I chuck
Don't
you
push
in?
me in. No,
Okay.
that was a fast video, though.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Are we done?
Yeah, we're done.
Okay,
Let's go.
we're done.
Bye. Bye. Peace.